Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money online for beginners. But not only that, I'm going to tell you how to make big money online for beginners. And if you're not a beginner, please stay tuned because I've still got a ton of value for you. So, with that being said, let's get it started. So by the way, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online, especially affiliate marketing, but I can go in the different ways as well. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button because that's where you're going to get a ton of value because I'm putting videos out every single day, so you don't want to miss that out. Also, make sure that you do hit that notification bell because that's going to help you to see my videos because YouTube might not show them to you. So, with that being said, let's get started. So how are you going to do this is you're going to have high commission sales. Like I made a video about this, but so if you want to watch that, just like watch it because it's really a ton of value, and if you're interested, you don't want to miss that one out. I'll try and link it at the end of this video as well, but it's like how to make high commissions on affiliate marketing, something like that. So you have to keep in mind that if you go to Amazon and sell a book, you might get like 5 cents a book that you sell, and you're gonna have to sell a hell of a lot of books to actually be able to make some money, or proper money, because you are making money. But if you are selling high commission sales, then that's where the money's at. If you sell products that have commissions of like up to $1,000 or $500, that's where you're going to be able to make some money. These things are made to sell. They're selling machines, so you don't have to worry that people are not going to spend the money because they have high like sales pages and they are worth that kind of money, so people are going to buy it. The second thing is that if you are selling products that give you a commission of $1,000, think about it. If you sell 10 of these a month, you're making $10,000 a month. And like that's not even one sale a month. Obviously, I'm not telling you this is easy because that's not what this channel is about. If you're thinking that I'm just going to sell you something where you can copy and paste and make a ton of money, this is not what this channel is about. This channel is about making real money and not like selling you a dream or something like that. Dreams are possible, but you do have to work for it. So, but like think about it. You only have to make 10 sales to make $10,000. You only have to make 5 sales to make $5,000, like every single month. 5 sales, that's nothing. So it's nothing, but you do have to have some ton of videos out or a ton of blogging, but we'll get into that a bit later. You also have to think about this. If you're going to work, like put in the actual work to sell some affiliate products that are worth $5, they give you like $2 commissions and things like that. Why not put in the same amount of work and like sell something that's worth $1,000 or $500 is like a big commission as well. But that's the point I want to make. You don't have to put in that many sales to actually make a ton of money. And that's something that people don't even realize is when you're trying to sell small commissions, it's very, very hard to make a living out of affiliate marketing. But if you're selling big products, that's a lot easier. However, you do have to have a strategy that's in place to promote your product. Like even if you have the best product in the world with the best sales page, with the best like selling videos, like a product that almost everybody seems to be able to sell, if you're not getting eyeballs on this product, you're not making sales. You're not going to be able to make a single sale if you're not able to get eyeballs to this product. And getting eyeballs on that product is not going to be by spamming Facebook groups and telling people this is my link, post your link, look, this is the best link in the world, sending people on like Facebook messengers, like, look at this, I don't usually sell this, but this is amazing, check this out. Like, all these examples that I just gave you are like I have received, I have seen. So if you're one of these people, just stop doing that, because you're not going to make any sales whatsoever. The best way to get eyeballs on your product is to actually be giving away some value, just like I'm doing now. If you're making YouTube videos, you need to be making consistent YouTube videos. I'm making videos every single day, 7 days a week, and I've been doing that for a while, and I'm going to continue to do that. If you're doing blogging, you have to do exactly the same thing. You have to like post a ton of content every single day. Like, no matter what it is, no matter what platform you're using, you have to put in consistent like efforts. If you're making a video a month and you're wondering why nobody's watching them, that's why, because you're not putting in the work. You have to actually do this. So I was a bit on the rant here, but this is very important. Like, you can dream all you want of selling like products that give you commissions of $10,000, but if you're not putting in work, you're not going to get any sales whatsoever with it. It's $5, $1,000, $500, or like you could like $8,000 or something. Like, I've never seen that, but I'm pretty sure it does exist. So if you're dreaming of that, stop dreaming and start putting in the work, make some videos, and that is how you're going to actually make some money. And by the way, you are the only one that can make it happen. Like, I would love for you to actually make some sales. I would love for you to like get consistent income and all that stuff. But I can't do anything for you. If you're not putting in the work, you're not getting commissions. If like your parents can't do anything, your brothers and sisters can't do anything, your friends can't do anything, the only person that can actually do this is you. So you have to put in the work, and you need to be in for the challenge. You have to challenge yourself to like be like, I'm doing this, and I'm like, make a decision to stop like messing around. I used to want to do this. I was like, I'm going to make a video every day, and then something happened, so I didn't make that video that day. Or, you know, I had something else to do, so I just wasn't going to make that video. So I was saying I was going to make a video every day, but I didn't fully commit to it. Now I'm saying I am making a video every single day, no matter what. Meaning, if something happens, if like the internet shuts down, like, I will still have a video coming out, because I put out like, this is the second video I'm filming today. So if I have videos in advance and like I can't have internet for a week, then my videos will still come out. So that's how hard you have to commit to it. If you don't do this, you're just going like not do it. So you have to like challenge yourself and say, okay, now I'm putting a video out every single day for the next like 90 days, for like the next 6 months. It doesn't matter, but you have to put in the work and challenge yourself to actually do this, and be actually like happy to take that challenge and do it. And if you don't feel like doing it, like, this video is okay. This video I filmed previously, I did not want to film it. Like, I was so tired, I didn't want to do this, but this is how you like develop grit, and I made a video on this. But if you don't commit to it, you're not making it. So whether you want to do it or not, you just have to get yourself to do it. Go for a run, something like that. It doesn't matter, but you actually have to like decide that you're actually going to do this. So with that being said, I hope that you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure that you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell, so you actually get some like new videos. And also be sure to leave me a comment, because I always appreciate it. So if you did appreciate this video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.